Hi, this is my project, and I talk about air pollution in Canada. Okay. Um, in this slide, we can see some important points about the contamination in Canada. It says that air pollution has been classified as a carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer of the World Health Organization. After confirming that there is sufficient scientific evidence that it increases the risk of some tumors such as lung or bladder tumors. 2. Already in 2010, there were 223 deaths from lung cancer worldwide, caused by air pollution, which make it become one of the cancer risk factors produced by this organism. This contaminated is more caused by transport and industrial or agricultural emissions and is known to increase the risk of a wide range of diseases, especially cardiac and respiratory problems. Okay, I start talking about air pollution, the definition of air pollution, and it can be defined as the presence of toxic chemicals or components in the air at levels that pose health risk. In even broader sense, air pollution means the presence of chemicals or components in the air which are usually not present, which lower the quality of the air, causes detrimental change to the quality of the life. Okay, I talk about the effect of air pollution of human health. Okay, this is depending on the level of exposure and the type of pollution in air. These effects can be varied, ranging from simple symptoms like congestion of the irritation of the respiratory tract to acute conditions like asthma and chronic lung disease. In this slide, we can see two types, and I start talking about toxin pollutions and carcinogenic agents like chloride, benzene, ethylene dibromide, ethylene dichlorine, um, some nitrogen composed arsenic oxide, sorry, arsenic oxide, some nitrate, pesticides, insecticide, herbicide, radon, lead, carbon monoxide, ammoniaco, or acetone. Okay, in the other hand, we can see non-toxic pollution, and these pollutions can still asphyxiant by oxygen, depleting. Therefore, they are still not safe in dissertation qualities and or context. We have two types, and non-explosive, like carbon dioxide, on explosives. The other type is explosives, is like methane. Okay. Causes. It's probably one of the most serious environmental problems confronting our civilization today, but most often it is caused by human activities. This it's bad. Heard about the human activities caused that this air pollution, like such as mining construction, transportation, industrial war, agriculture, smelting, etc. However, natural processes such as volcanic eruption and wildfires may also pollution the air, but their occurrence is rare and they usually have a local effect. Unlike humans' activities that are ubiquitous causes of air pollution and contribute to global pollution of the air every single day. Okay, in this slide we can see a map with the cities that have more pollution and those that have less. The dark green we can see is the city with a lot of pollution. The light green is the cities when the pollution is little, it's a little pollution, and the yellow is the cities when have or exist zero pollution, zero or a little bit, but a little bit like a 10 or 20% is like this. So we can see all the cities and all the countries. Okay, and finally, the best way of decrease air pollution. I put 7 ways to decrease air pollution, and one is use public transportation or carpool, bike, or just walk. 2. Turn off the car engine when you are stopped. 3. Reduce your consumption of meat and dairy produced. You will help reduce methane emission from livestock. 4. Compost organic food and recycle non-organic waste. 5. Save energy. Turn off lights and electronics when you're not using them. 6. Never burn trash. You will contribute to increasing air pollution. 7. Decrease the use of plastic to care for the ocean. It's very important to take care with the ocean because it's water, so we can use this water for the basic need for us. So it's important. So thank you, and that's all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.